Hi everyone, I'm your friend Diana. Welcome to HOLOWITS Academy. Today we are going to talk about what bandwidth adaptation is. When the network condition is not good due to the congestion of network transmission data, the image continuity will be poor and the picture will be stuck. Through bandwidth adaptation technology, when the system automatically reduces the encoding bit rate due to the insufficient network bandwidth, the image quality can be appropriately reduced, but the picture is still smooth and continuously. The camera determines whether the network bandwidth is sufficient based on the pocket loss rate data. When the network bandwidth is insufficient, the camera dynamically sets the values lower than the encoding bit rate set by the users, so that the camera's encoding bit rate adopts the current transmission network bandwidth. If the camera determines that the bandwidth is sufficient, it will dynamically increase the encoding bit rate value, and the upper limit of the bit rate is the bit rate value configured by the users. Well, that is today's HOLOWITS Academy. If you think that's helpful, please like and comment. See you next time.